Here I am with my Sprinter, and it's insane, idiotic, or just plain stupid door locks. Let's hop in and take a ride, and I'll show you what I mean. Well, I've just pulled up to a stop. The engine is still running, and yes, I need washer fluid. The car is in park, and you can see that the button is lit. The lock button, and over here you can see that the doors are indeed locked. So now if we push this button with it lit, the doors unlock just as you expect. You can see the passenger door button over there is up, and over here the driver's button is now up, which I can prove by pushing it down. Alright, now we are moving down the road. You can see the road moving here. I'm going to pull over and stop. I've been up to sufficient speed that the doors are indeed locked. Now let's put this in park. Let's open. Oh, wait a minute. First we'll check the button. The button is lit. Now let's, with the door locked, let's open the driver's door. You see I've effectively opened it, and the button is still lit. Close the door, and with the engine running, I push it, and now, even though the button is lit, the door's just locked. And the button remained lit. Let's try another test. Okay, we're pulling up to a stop one more time. Okay. Into park. Parking brake set. I shouldn't have done that, but I don't think it matters. And let's check the condition. Lights lit. Door is locked. Yep. Door is locked. Let's turn. I'm going to turn the car off while we watch the light. The light goes out. Now, if I press this button, the light goes on, and the doors just re-locked themselves. I have to press it again, and they just lock themselves again. You have to do it twice fast enough, we were too slow there, for it to unlock. Talk about insanity.